In this video, I will show how to use the quotient rule to find the derivative of a function that is a quotient of two other functions. So in order for us to use the quotient rule, we have to identify the numerator and the denominator. So in this case, the numerator is 1 plus x squared, and the denominator is 1 minus x cubed. It's good to also remember the quotient rule using alternative labels for the functions. So instead of f and g, we can use u and v. Then the quotient rule will be written like this. Why is it useful? Because a lot of times your original function is called f or g, so it will make it hard to introduce another f and g because f and g is already labeled. So I'm going to use u and v notation here. So u is u1 plus x squared, v is 1 minus x cubed. So derivative of u then is just 2x, derivative of v is negative 3x squared. And now to find the derivative of f, I'm going to use this template, is u prime v minus u v prime divided by v squared. So what is my u prime? U prime is 2x times v minus u times v prime, and all that divided by v squared, which is 1 minus x cubed squared. So this is the derivative of this function. We can simplify the numerator by distributing everything and combining like terms. So the simplified answer is x to the 4 plus 3x squared plus 2x divided by 1 minus x cubed to the power 2. This is how you use the quotient rule.